we're going to show you some of the products that maybe you didn't get a chance to see if you didn't come to the show, or to remind you if you were one of the people that did visit our booth. And thank you for all of you that did come and see our displays. What we're going to talk about here is our power tools. A lot of integrators are doing big projects, and it requires the cutting of strut. And strut can be cut with our new BNCE 45. This is a great tool. You can see that it has a guide to it. It slips right on over a piece of strut. Literally, the weight of the tool will cut through the strut. Give you a nice clean cut. There's no burrs to the edge. It's nice and smooth. It gives you a cold cut, and when it makes that cold cut, then you can put your hand on the cut piece right away. Next, we have a larger saw, because some people get into some bigger steel projects. And so with that, we've got a 14-inch saw that, again, is a cold cut. It spins at a much slower RPM. This unit sells for a very reasonable price, and you can find it on our website. And finally, I want to talk to you about our wire puller. This thing is gorgeous. It'll go out 95 feet, and you can run it through a conduit. And at the show here, you might recall that we were sending it through 4 90-degree bends, and it went right on through it, no problem. Just went right around our display. So those are some of the power tools we had on display. We're going to show you some other things in another video. Metal boxes, especially for commercial locations, we have those too. These are great interior boxes. They're beautiful. You can see the nice finish to them. They're solid metal. They have knockouts on the top, knockouts on the side, knockouts on the bottom, knockouts for your electrical outlets. You can see that it also has grommets so that it can protect your wiring, so you put those on anywhere where you have a knockout. We come in lots of different sizes. We have the 10-inch. This is our 14-inch. We go up to 24 inches. You want to go to 42, we have that too. And every box that you see here is priced between $50 to $100. Very affordable. Hey, thanks for watching. Come by to see us at next year's show, Benner-Nawman, and come to our website at Benner-Nawman.com.